12 for number 6. Alright, top by UP. First ball, number 17. Go Belga, easy 2.
First ball, 8 minutes. Stop.
Naka-live ka pa kayo?
Alright, moving step, traveling violation.
Taga-ano pala, clip lang. Lager ng Sir Yorme.
Shout out kay Sir Yorme.
Oo nga. Ano to?
Team committee.
Alright, number 17. 14 to shoot.
Baka ba technical ka, sir? Baka technical ka.
10. Number 12. Long three, no good. Rebound by number 6.
Ay, baka ba tawagan ka ng referee, technical.
Mr. Jimenez. Slice. 2 points.
Live pa yan, live.
Number 18, power, no good. Rebound. Alright, top. Same ball.
Sabi-sabi talagang off yan pagka-on. Oh, sabi-sabi yan. Pasok namin, dalawa.
Mr. Mercado.
So, dalawa.
Belga on the center. What a pass to number 18, reverse. Number 4, Lacson. Number 10. Number 12. Rebound, reset 14. 3 points, no good. Rebound again, Mr. Jimenez. 8 to shoot. Oh, what a steal for Mr. Mercado. Wow. Jimenez try for 3, wala. Rebound UP. Ayun, no? Transition kagad, bilis. Grabe, go Belga. 8-2. 6-point lead na. Steal na naman ang UP. 2-on-1. Easy, fake shot. Easy 2. 10-2. Great, Mr. Jimenez. Oh, turnover ulit sa Ateneo. Three points para kay Belga. Mr. Sack. Slice. Basket. What a layup. Steal almost. Mr. Mercado. On take. All right. There you go. Timeout. Ateneo. Jerome, sorry. Sino foul dyan? Number 13. First team foul. First foul for Ateneo. Number 13. Okay, back to the ball game. Free throw for Mercado.
Shot lang kapag pagagamitin mo. Gusto free.
First try, good. Oh, rebound. What a bounce shot for number 1. 3-point play agad. After timeout.
Babasol.
Okay. Number 6, stop from behind. Alright, there's a contact, number 18. Zach slice again. Black. Rebound Jimenez. Black again. Oh, another pass break for Mr. Mercado. 1-2 situation. Oh, right. Number 17. Second team foul for UP. Jimenez, 3 points ulit, wala. Almost rebound. Pero bola natin eh, oh.
Kahit kumain ka.
Mr. Lacson, 3 points, wala. Ayun, tumama na dun.
Automatic 360 na to.
Delga cut. Wow, easy 2 points. 18-4, 14 point lead na po. Shaq, pass to Lacson. Shaq again. Slice. Pass again. Oh, steal of number 1 half. Easy 2 again. Defense para sa UP. Tumatakbo na naman sila. 3-on-2. Pass to Belga. Or assist. Coming to number 1 half. Zach will try 3 points. No good. Rebound Jimenez. Power no good again. Number 1. UP.
Papormahin mo.
Oops, they call traveling violation.
Magkano sir? May
Basket, sir. Basket. Basket.
Sige, time out na lang.
20-point lead na. Okay.
Sino mo doon? May bomba dito.
Pangalawa na ata yan.
What a layup for Mr. Sack. Timeout, UP.
Pangalawa na yata yan ha. Doon Soriano eh.
Boy, 15 years ah. Lawag din ang bola. Walang kumakat. Sinuwan mo.
All right, back to the ball game. 24. Belga ulit sa 3 points. Wala yun. Ang ganda na pa. Back shot ni number 18. Grabe naman. Yun, shot. Pass to number 4, Mr. Lacson. Wala talaga. Missing opportunity. Ang dami. Mr. Mercado nang babadali sa pull-up jumper. Wala. Rebound by Zach. Nice. Lucky foul. And one play para kay Mr. Zach. Number 17, second personal foul. 13 foul, UP. 35 seconds, pass break na naman ang UP. Inatras pa. AC, back to Belga. Wala assist na naman kay Mercado, wala.
Anong gusto mong champion jersey natin?
14 seconds to shoot.
Pwede kang mag-send sa akin ng
Crossing over. Subaragos. Oy! May contact.
Ako na kasi mabilis lang ito eh.
Foul number 10.
Yung trophy, pinapati sa
Second team foul, first personal foul for number 12. Right, 27, 24 seconds stop.
talaga.
27-8. Complete. All right. Number 13. Number 6, Mr. Jimenez. Finally, 3 points. 10 seconds. 5. All right. No basket. Time expired. Twenty-eight, 11.